Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel Life School. Do you ever feel like you're stuck in a loop, wanting to change your life, but somehow those big goals just slip away? Maybe you've tried starting a new habit, like working out, reading more, or eating healthier. But after a few days, poof, it's gone. Don't worry, you're not alone. Today we're diving into how to create and stick to powerful habits that last. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have a simple, science-backed plan to transform your daily routine. Let's get started. First off, why should we even care about habits? Well, here's the deal. Studies show that about 40% of what we do every day isn't a conscious decision. It's just habit. That's right. Almost half your life is running on autopilot. So, if you can build powerful habits, you're programming yourself for success without even thinking about it. Imagine waking up, crushing your goals, and feeling unstoppable, all because your habits are working for you, not against you. Sounds pretty awesome, right? So how do we make that happen? Step 1, start small. I know, you're probably thinking, but I want big results. Trust me, I get it. But here's the secret. Big wins come from tiny actions stacked over time. James Clear, the guy who wrote Atomic Habits, calls this the 1% better rule. Instead of saying, I'm going to run a marathon tomorrow, start with, I'll put on my running shoes and walk for 5 minutes. It's so easy you can't say no. And once you start, your brain goes, hey, this isn't so bad. Before you know it, those 5 minutes turn into 10, then 20, small steps, big payoff. Step 2, hack your brain with the habit loop. Scientists say every habit has 3 parts, a cue, a routine, and a reward. The cue is your trigger, like your alarm going off. The routine is the habit, like doing 10 push-ups. And the reward? That's the feel-good part, like a quick stretch or a sip of coffee. Here's an example. I wanted to read more, so I set my book next to my bed, cue, read 1 page before sleep, routine, and then let myself feel smug about being smart, reward. Find a cue that's already in your day, tie your habit to it, and reward yourself. It's like training a puppy, except the puppy is you. Step 3, stack your habits. This is a game changer. Take something you already do, like brushing your teeth, and piggyback your new habit onto it. For instance, after I brush my teeth, I do a 2-minute meditation. It's called habit stacking, and it works because your brain already knows the drill. You're just sneaking in a new move. Try this. Current habit, I will, new habit. Like, after I make my coffee, I'll write 1 sentence in my journal. Boom! Your habits start chaining together like a superhero combo. Step 4, track it and celebrate. Grab a calendar, an app, whatever works, and mark every day you do your habit. There's something so satisfying about seeing those X's pile up. And don't skip the celebration. Did your 5-minute walk? Do a little dance? Finished a page of your book? Tell yourself, I'm crushing it. Positive vibes keep you going. Research shows that tracking builds momentum, and celebrating releases dopamine. That's your brain's happy chemical. So make it fun. Step 5, plan for the mess-ups, because they will happen. Life gets busy, you miss a day, and suddenly you're tempted to quit. Don't. Instead, have a backup plan. If I can't hit the gym, I'll do a quick stretch at home. If I'm too tired to read, I'll listen to an audiobook. And here's the golden rule. Never miss twice. 1 slip-up? Fine. 2 in a row? That's when the habit starts to fade. Get back on track fast, and you'll be unstoppable. So there you have it. 5 steps to create and stick to powerful habits. Start small, use the habit loop, stack them up, track and celebrate, and plan for obstacles. Pick 1 habit you want to build. Maybe it's drinking more water or taking a daily walk, and start today. Let me know in the comments what habit you're working on. I'd love to cheer you on. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss more tips like this. Thanks for watching, you amazing habit builders. See you in the next one.